Welcome back to Destination Journey. Today I created a short little video to share with you the overlanding water setup that I'm putting together to run in my 4Runner this summer. This winter I've been improving some of the creature comforts in my 4Runner, getting it ready for the upcoming overlanding season. One of the projects I wanted to tackle was improving my water system in my 4Runner. Last year I built a really nice drawer system and kitchen that leaves me just enough room at the top of that to have these 2.5 gallon Scepter tanks. The issue with it is I have to clip these down really tight when it comes time to get to camp and I want to take them out. It's a little bit of a process. And then I'm just pouring the water out of these 2.5 gallon tanks. So like I mentioned, improving creature comforts, I've always been intrigued by these Dometic portable faucets. My issue is the attachment for this faucet does not work with one of these Scepter tanks. Dometic makes their own water tank. After doing some research on YouTube, I found a guy who is actually 3D printing caps to replace on your Scepter tank that are compatible with the Dometic faucet. I'll go ahead and put this guy's website in the comments below, iggycorp.com. But here's what showed up in the mail the other day. This is the replacement cap for the Scepter. As you can see now, it has the right adapter for the Dometic faucet. He also did a really nice job replicating this breather valve that you have on the Scepter tanks. Nice rubber gaskets also included. Just overall impressed with the quality. In addition to that, you get a length of hose. I've already cut this one down to fit my 2.5, but it comes long enough for a 5 gallon tank. And then he also makes these hose weights. So I went ahead and ordered one of those as well. Now let's see what comes with the Dometic faucet. So here's the faucet itself. Seems very nicely built. Your power button's on the top. Here's where you plug in your USB to charge it. The thing I love about this is it has a magnetic base. So included are these 2 metal plates, and they also include adhesive. So you can stick these to any of the surfaces you're going to be using it on, and then you just simply snap this in place and it won't move around. So I think that's pretty smart. Comes with about 1.5 feet of hose to attach to your tank. This is a little short for my purposes. I'd like another foot or maybe 2 feet. So I went ahead and ordered off Amazon some additional hose. I'll put a link in the comments below for that as well. And then your USB charger. All right, now that we have all our parts, let's go ahead and put this together. It's gonna just take a couple seconds. It's pretty simple. So first we're gonna remove the cap from the Scepter tank. Then we're going to put this guy together. So we take our short little hose, attach that to the bottom of the cap, and then here's where that weight gets installed. Feed that in like so. Make sure that we open up our valve on our cap. And then we're ready to get the faucet hooked up. So that hose just snaps into place. Super simple. Attach it to the back, and then this base will be on your surface, ready to go. Okay, we have everything set up. Let's see how it works. Just tap the top of the faucet twice. We have running water. You see the light turns on underneath there as well. Pretty nice setup. Well, this was a simple and fun project that's going to make my life just a little bit easier out on the trail. I'll go ahead and put links to each of these items in the description below, as well as a link to the guy's website, iggycorp.com, who is 3D printing these caps. You know, I have a couple more projects coming up late winter, early spring that's getting ready for the upcoming season. So if you'd like to see more of this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.